AMTech today is probably a unique exhibition center where the service bureaus, where the additive manufacturing machine providers, equipment providers, powder supplies like us, all of us are getting together. Institutes are coming here. We had wonderful visitor profile yesterday. The director from RR Cat was here. The chief executive from Semilac was here. A lot of institute professors, head of the departments, variety of people were there. So I think AMTech is providing that wonderful platform for all of us. We as Indomim will look up to AMTech very well because we have started our additive manufacturing journey over the last 5-6 years, and not just being the largest in the metal injection molding space, we want to be the world's largest company in the additive manufacturing space as well. So I would say that being in India, this is one of the best platforms for us to portray our journey, to narrate things about this particular thing, and I think to solicit engagement. The best part that happens at such shows, at such exhibitions is networking, and that provides a very good engagement. The curiosity of the people who are coming is getting fed. So I would say all that AMTech is going very well.
This is definitely a beginning of a very, very long journey for India. I mean, this is only going to multiply year after year after year. And I will not be surprised 10 years from now, this show will be considered as one of the, especially in the Asia and Southeast Asia, equivalent of Formnext in Europe, or equivalent of Rapid City, because the manufacturing hub will be shifted to India eventually. And these kind of shows, will definitely help to connect people and increase the collaboration between themselves so that the entire industry gets benefited. And I'm really happy to be here.